Welcome to this quick video on protecting your worksheets or sheets in Microsoft Excel. So there's times where you want to share your Excel documents with other people. They may not be computer literate. You may want to limit what they can do on it so they don't change any of the data, because it might be used by a number of different people. So there's a couple of different things you can do to protect it, and I'll show you those in this video today. So you obviously need to be in your Excel workbook, and when I'm going to go to the review option. When I go to the review option, you'll see in the ribbon towards the right hand side you've got protect sheet and protect workbook, and they're the ones we want to focus on because there's a couple of different things you can do with this, and I'll give you some examples of when you might use them. So I've got multiple sheets on here, so I can protect the sheet that I'm on. So if you want to select this option, please do make sure you've selected the sheet first. So I'm on sheet 1 and I'm going to go to protect sheet, and you can see you can pop a password in there as well if you need to. All cells will be locked by default, but can be formatted when unlocked. And you can see you've got the ability to allow or not allow users to do certain things. So if you want to block off everything, then you're going to untick everything. But if you want them to do certain things, then you can allow them to select lock cells. And you can see when you do select things like that, it opens up other bits. And then you can allow them to delete rows, you can allow them to sort, but you can pick and choose what you want them to be able to do on that sheet, and you can obviously pop a password on there as well. Just a quick top tip here, if you ever do passwords, please make sure you remember it, you write it down, you share it with the relevant people, because if you lose it, then you may struggle to get full access back. So you can do that on the sheet itself, but you can also protect the workbook. Now, if I just go on this one, again, you've got another password option you can use. But what this one's really useful for is protecting the structure or the size of the window when it opens. So you can see the window that's opened. I'm currently sharing that on my screen, although I know it's grayed out a little bit because I'm in this option. So if I protected the window, what that means is, however it is right now, whenever I went into it and opened it, it would open in exactly the same format. So this is super useful if someone is a little bit computer illiterate, they struggle a little bit with how to use Excel and things like that, but you want to share data with them, you want to share your workbook with them, and you want to make it easy for them to see and do whatever they need to do in it. Then protecting the window means that it will open in the same size and same position whenever it's opened. So it's really, really nice. And the structure as well, you can always also protect that. So again, no one can go in and accidentally make any changes. So there's a couple of really nice protection options if you are using Excel and you are sharing this with other people and you just want to limit what they can do, but give them access to everything that they can do, and you want to make it really easy for the users who might struggle with technology to interact with your document. So please do have a go at that. Please do like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.